We're at 209 Claremont right now, which is just northeast of Dundas and Ossington here in Toronto. I want to take you inside this modern townhome and point out all the features you wouldn't have noticed from only the photos. The first thing you notice about this house when you walk in is that it really shines when it comes to entertaining. Not a single part of this first floor is cut off from the rest. You get this great dining area with west exposure and these built-in benches and custom shelves above it. Don't forget about the storage here too. You're going to notice this throughout the video, custom shelves and closets that were professionally installed around the home. I don't want to hear any more complaints about lack of countertop space because there's enough countertop here for 2 kitchens. This is a sub-zero integrated fridge and all the other appliances are AEG. There were no expenses spared here. But on a serious note, I love the kitchen layout in the middle of the home like this. Kitchens are the focal point where the guest will gather, and it's the focal point of this floor. You'll notice there are 6 speakers on this floor and some outside as well. Those are all controlled from this receiver here. Alternatively, you can control them from your phone or this iPad that's built into the wall. There are 2 of these around the home, so you're never too far away from the controls. Step outside for a second. This is what really separates this home from the others that have sold in the complex. This is a zero maintenance yard. You just come out and you enjoy it year round. Everything you see here is staying for the next owner. I can count on one hand how many properties I've seen downtown with a hot tub. There's also a built-in gas barbecue and a bar fridge. Let me show you the basement now. We'll go down really quick before I show you the upstairs. You have a powder room and an office. And again, custom storage space everywhere. And this is the inside access to the garage. It's extra wide. You can see the side exit there. It's perfect for storing your bikes. So here on the second floor, you get 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and second floor laundry. Second floor laundry is such a big deal for anyone who does laundry regularly. Follow me into this washroom. I love how modern the lighting and the vanity is. Have a look at this sink. Look at the detail. This is not your average sink. Follow me into the second bedroom. I love when your line of sight takes you to the floor-to-ceiling windows. But notice this entire wall, it's all custom closets. On to the top floor now. This entire top floor is dedicated to the primary bedroom. You get this beautiful east to west view, so in the mornings, you get this stunning sunrise in the 5-piece ensuite. These mirrors double as medicine cabinets. More speakers in the ceiling. The key feature here that most people won't even notice is the second furnace. This is a 3-story home, and without a second furnace, you'd have a very hard luck getting any cooling and heating up to the top floor. But with the second furnace and AC, you're able to independently control the heating and cooling for the top 2 levels from the bottom 2 levels. We'll walk past this spacious walk-in closet and into the king-size bed here for scale. The view facing west gives you these beautiful sunsets into the bedroom. If you're a busy professional who lives and works downtown, if you want to own a home that doesn't require a lot of home maintenance and chores, this really should be one of the first homes you consider with your realtor.